Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we'll do the famous South Indian Medu Vada recipe along with curd and Sambar vadai. For this, take 1 cup of black gram, that is urud dal. Wash this, soak this in water. To this add 1 tablespoon of rice. Let this sit for another 2 hours. This is after 2 hours. Now let us grind this and make a smooth batter. If you want this to be spicy, add a green chilli and a small piece of ginger while grinding. We have to get a very smooth and fluffy batter. Now add required amount of salt. This is ready now. Let us transfer this into another bowl. To this batter, add few curry leaves. Add a quarter cup of coriander leaves chopped. 1 or 2 green chilies chopped. A handful of shallots or onions. Now let us give a nice mix. You can also add crushed peppers, it will give you a nice taste and flavor. Your batter is ready now. Now wet your hands. Take a small batter and make a hole in the middle and fry it in oil. Turn either sides and cook properly. Try to cook this in a medium flame, it will be very perfect for this. Now we have to cook this until golden brown. So our Medu Vada is ready. Next we'll move on and do our curd vadai. For this, add some oil in a pan. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half a teaspoon of urud dal, that is split black gram. Let us wait for the mustards to pop. To this add a handful of shallots or onions, 1 or 2 green chilies, a few curry leaves and few coriander leaves. Give a nice saute. Our tempering is over. Now we'll move on and take 2 cups of curds and a quarter cup of water. Now mix these two. To this add the required amount of salt and the tempering. Give a nice mix. Your curd part is over. Now it's time to put our vada into this. This has to be kept soaked for at least half an hour. our curd vadai is ready. Now we'll move on and do our sambar vadai. Take 1 cup of tur dal, that is split pigeon peas. To this add a handful of shallots, 10 to 15 garlic, a handful of drumsticks chopped, two tomatoes chopped, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 cups of water. Add the required amount of salt and pressure cook this for 3 to 4 whistles. This is perfectly cooked. Now we'll move on and add the tamarind water. This is a lemon sized tamarind soaked for about 10 to 15 minutes in 1/4 cup of water. Now let us filter and add this. To this add 1 tablespoon of sambar powder and 1/4 teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida. Give a nice mix. We are going to boil this for This has boiled well. Your sambar is over. Top it with coriander leaves. Next we'll move on and temper this. Pour some oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and few curry leaves. This is ready to be mixed with the sambar now. And sambar is ready. Now it is time to mix the sambar and the vadas. Soak the vadai in sambar for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It will give you a good taste. So all the 3 vadais are ready. Do try this at home and don't forget to subscribe our channel.